Welcome to the in front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So now just let's unlock our phone and just let's open it, the application once again. So tap to open the app, and now let's just select, for example, this term. We should apply, click here to apply. We can change the backgrounds of this term. For example, we can use this one, apply it here. We can change the music controls time we can hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can turn on or turn off notifications from different applications on the lock screen to show the date or to turn it off. Also, we can show battery status always while you are charging or just to don't show it. Just let's tap to this X icon and switch AID to the settings. Select then always on display section. We can here change also the shown time on the lock screen, the AID feature from always while they was charging or when we'll play the music. Also, we can use these two features separately. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute just to an hour. We can decrease and increase the brightness level of AID. We can close it with the single or double tap on the lock screen, and also you can set the schedule of just AID. We can set the start and the end time, and we can disable always on display also during the calls. Disable this feature, the always on display. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.